Ever feel like you are running on a treadmill with your money? You work hard, you get paid, but at the end of the month, your bank account is back to zero. It is frustrating, right? We all want that dream life where money is not a constant stress. We want real financial freedom. But here is the hard truth that most people just ignore. To build real wealth, you have to give things up. Not forever, just for a while. This is the part people hate. Everyone wants the luxury lifestyle right now. They want to look rich before they actually are rich. But that is not how it works. Welcome to Siraz Patwari. I am so glad you are here. If you are serious about changing your future, hit that subscribe button. Let's talk about what building wealth actually costs you. Think about the life you are living right now. It might feel normal, but if you spend every dollar you earn, you are just treading water. Your paycheck comes in, it goes out for rent, it goes out for food, it goes to your car payment. You pay for those monthly subscriptions. You eat out with friends. By the time you are done, there is nothing left. You are not building anything. To grow wealth, you must spend less than you make. Then you take that extra money and you invest it. That is the entire foundation. It sounds simple, but it makes people very uncomfortable. It means your current lifestyle has to change. Maybe you drive an old used car instead of a shiny new one. Maybe you cook at home instead of hitting a restaurant 3 times a week. I am not saying you should live like a monk. You should enjoy your life. But most people spend 95% of what they make. Then they wonder why they are stuck. You have to make a choice. Do you want the lifestyle today, or do you want freedom tomorrow? You cannot have both right now. Most people choose today. They choose the fancy apartment or the trendy neighborhood. They do not even realize they are making a trade. They just keep spending and wondering why they never get ahead. The good news is, this is temporary. You are not giving up your lifestyle forever. Maybe it is for 5 years, maybe 10. You are building a base. Once your investments start making money for you, then you can upgrade. Then you can buy the nice car. But during this building phase, you have to choose wealth over comfort. Let's talk about convenience. We love it. We order food because we are tired. We pay people to clean our houses. We pay for every delivery fee and every premium service. It feels small, but when you add it up, it is a mountain of money. Look at your bank statement from last month. Be honest with yourself. How much did you pay just for convenience? It will probably shock you. Think about that $20 food order. After fees and tips, it is $35. If you do that 4 times a week, that is over $500 a month. That is $500 just for not wanting to cook. Then there is the grocery delivery, the rushed shipping, the laundry service. These things save you time, sure, but they are costing you your future. You are fighting against your own goals. Time is valuable, I get that. But when you are starting out, money has to be the priority. You sacrifice that convenience to build your freedom. The person who cooks their own meals is saving hundreds. That is money that could be compounding in the market. That is money that buys you time later in life. You do the work yourself now. You save the cash. You invest the difference. That is the secret. Once you are actually wealthy, pay for all the convenience you want. Hire a chef. Get the house cleaned. But right now, you have to do the work. Another big one is immediate gratification. Everything today is instant. You want a new gadget? You order it in 2 clicks. You see a cool pair of shoes? You buy them. This culture of, I want it now, is a wealth killer. To be truly successful, you must learn to wait. Every system around you is designed to make you spend. Companies have mastered the art of instant buying. You can book a trip in 30 seconds. The friction to spend is gone. But the friction to save is still there. You have to create that friction yourself. You have to force yourself to pause. Next time you see something you want, wait 30 days. Just 30 days. Usually, after a month, you won't even want it anymore. You will realize it was just an impulse. The person who can wait while everyone else is buying is the winner. That restraint is a superpower. No investment strategy works if you keep pulling money out to buy toys. Wealthy people are not always the ones making the most money. They are the ones who are willing to wait. They are comfortable not having things immediately. Most people can't handle that, and that is why they stay broke. Then we have status spending. This is the most dangerous trap of all. It is when you buy things to show off. You want people to think you are successful. You buy the designer bag you can't afford. You finance a luxury car that eats your paycheck. You wear an expensive watch when a cheap one tells the same time. You are trying to project an image to people who don't even care. Here is a secret. Truly wealthy people rarely do this. They don't have to prove anything. They already know they have money. It is the people who are struggling who try to look rich. It is financial self-sabotage. You are spending money you don't have to impress people who don't matter. You are going into debt for a status symbol. You are destroying your future to look cool for a minute. That is crazy. If you want to be free, you have to stop caring what people think. You have to be okay with your neighbor driving a BMW while you drive a Honda. You have to be okay with regular clothes while your friends wear labels. Every dollar spent on status is a dollar that isn't growing for you. The math is very simple. You can either look rich or you can actually be rich. Choose being rich. Now let's look at the illusion of choice. Building wealth requires focus. You have to be intentional. That means no more mindless shopping. No more paying for 10 different streaming services you never watch. You have to cut everything that doesn't help you reach your goal. Maybe you keep your phone for 5 years instead of 2. Maybe you stick to generic brands. Most people hate this. They like having options. They like the freedom to pick whatever they want in the moment. But every choice has a price tag. Every time you switch plans or providers, you are burning energy and money. The person who picks a good option and sticks with it wins. Think about how much people waste just trying new things. New gym memberships, new apps, new internet plans. They are constantly starting over. But if you accept fewer choices, you actually get more freedom. You stop wasting mental energy. You pick what works for your goals and you move on. You stop shopping for a slightly better deal every week. You commit. You save. You invest. We also have to talk about comparison. You are probably doing it right now. You look at social media and see your friends traveling. You see a coworker in a trendy new apartment. You feel like you are falling behind. You feel like you are failing. This comparison will ruin you. It makes you spend money you don't have. You see their highlight reel and you want that life now. So you put a vacation on a credit card. You take on debt to keep up. But here is the truth. That person in the vacation photos might have zero savings. They might be drowning in debt. That coworker with the nice place might be living paycheck to paycheck. You have no idea what their bank account looks like. They are only showing you the perfect moments. It doesn't matter what they are doing anyway. The only person you should compete with is yourself. Are you doing better than you were last year? Are you saving more? Are you closer to your goals? That is the only thing that counts. You have to get comfortable with your journey being different. It might be boring. You might be staying home while others go out. That is okay. That is the path. Most people can't handle the boredom of building wealth. They stay stuck in comparison mode and never get ahead. Finally, you have to give up the search for quick wins. This one hurts because we are all impatient. We want wealth fast. We look for the secret investment that doubles our money. We get excited about crypto or some new business opportunity. But real wealth is boring. It is incredibly boring. It is saving a few $100s every month for decades. It is putting money in index funds and leaving it alone. It is not exciting. There are no shortcuts. If you are always chasing the next big thing, you will probably stay poor. You will waste time and money on things that don't work. Think about the people who spend all day reading blogs about the next big stock. Meanwhile, the person who just bought a boring fund and forgot about it is actually getting rich. Give up the idea that this should be fast. Accept that it takes time. Once you accept that, everything gets easier. You stop wasting energy on gambles. You stop trying to time the market. You just do the boring stuff that works. Consistent saving, smart investing, compound interest. These are the tools of wealth. They take time. This sacrifice of speed is the most important one. Excitement sells courses and gets clicks, but boring builds empires. So, what are you really giving up? You are giving up your current lifestyle and convenience. You are giving up instant rewards and the need to look successful. You are giving up the distraction of too many choices and the trap of comparison. You are giving up the dream of getting rich quick. It sounds like a lot, and it is. But look at what you gain. You gain real financial freedom. You gain the power to say no to things you hate. You gain peace of mind. You gain the ability to take risks and start a business. You get to help the people you love. You get to retire with dignity. That is what these sacrifices are for. It is not about suffering forever. It is about working hard now so you don't have to later. Most people won't do this. They will keep wondering why they are broke in 20 years. But you can be different. You can start today. Thank you for watching Siraz Patwari. Please subscribe for more. The choice is yours. Are you ready to make the sacrifices that actually matter?